Hi everybody, I'm going to make a video of me working out the notes for today. So make sure you print out the worksheet that I post in a little bit, and then you can work out the problems with me. This is day 2 of triangle inequalities. It says if AB, this side, is greater than AC, then measure angle C, which is across from the long one, is greater than measure angle B, which is across from the short one. So if an angle opens up wide, then the side across from it is longer because it's open up wide. If an angle is small, then the side across from it is going to be shorter because it's closed and not as open as wide. So that's what the theorem says. If two sides of a triangle are not congruent, because we knew what happens if they're congruent, it's an isosceles triangle, then the larger angle is opposite the longer side. So if we look at this triangle, we're going to put the angle measures in order from least to greatest. And we don't know the measures of the angles, and we don't go by how it looks. We go by the lengths of the sides. So we find the shortest side, which is 10, and which side is opposite 10? Which angle is opposite 10? Measure of angle Z is opposite 10. What's the next shortest side? 12. And what's opposite it? Measure angle X. And then the last side, the longest side, 15, is opposite. Measure angle Y. That's all you do. So on the next problem, try it yourself. Oh, I didn't put any letters. That's funny. So let's do L-I-N. So 5 is the shortest. So measure angle N. Then 12. Measure angle L. And then 13. Measure angle I. That's the first theorem. The second theorem is like the opposite or the converse of it. If measure angle C, this one that's open really wide, is greater than measure angle B, this one, then AB, which is opposite the really wide angle, then AB is greater than AC. AC is opposite the smaller angle. If two angles of a triangle are not congruent, then the longer side is opposite the larger angle. The longer side is opposite the larger angle because it's open wider. So here are two problems. This time we're going to put the side lengths in order from least to greatest. So 20 is the smallest angle. So it's opposite the shortest side. So this side is IN. And we don't put a mark on it because we don't want the lengths, or the segments, we want the segment lengths. Next is 60. What side is opposite 60? LN. And then we have 100. What side is opposite 100? LI. So try example 4. Sometimes we won't give the third angle, and you have to use the fact that the 3 angles add up to how much? 180. So you have to subtract to find the third angle, and then you can put them in order. So the 40 is across from LK. The 45 is across from JL. and the 95 is across from JK. So that's our lesson for today. Homework number 96 is next. It was with the document that I uploaded, so go ahead and work on that, and when you finish it, then you can send it to me on Remind. Send me your homework on Remind so that I can see that you did it. Okay? And if you have a question, I'll post the answers to the Remind homework like I normally do. And if you have any questions, you can remind me which problems you have questions on, and then I'll work them out for you. Okay? How does that sound? Perfect. Have a great day.